Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. I'm with Mark Gertie at SHOT Show 2018, and he's going to tell you more about the Ruger EC9S.
All right. Hey, thanks for stopping in here. This is the EC9S, and if those of you who are familiar with the LC9S, it's pretty much the same gun. So we got some of the best ops guys in the industry, and they have figured out how to machine the slide less expensively. So if you look at an LC9S versus this new EC9S, you notice there's a bit of a different texture on it. The slide serrations are spaced a little bit wider. The most important detail is these sights are machined integral with the top of the slide. So all that combines to take about $100 of cost out of the gun, which we pass on to you all. So otherwise it's the exact same gun as the LC9S. So it's a single stack, 9mm, holds 7 rounds in the magazine, plus 1 in the pipe. It is a striker fired gun, and it has an outstanding trigger. It is an excellent, short, crisp, nice, neat trigger. You'll love shooting it. And maybe some of you are familiar with the old LC9, and that was a double action only hammer fired gun. This is the LC9S, or now the EC9S. S is for striker. It's a great trigger. If you haven't tried the trigger, you owe it to yourself to try it. Go out to a retailer, give it a try. You notice that this is just a fabulous gun. It's slim, it's small, it packs away very readily, and yet with this new EC9S configuration, it's going to retail in the low $200 range. And it's an everyday carry gun. That low price is an everyday price. It's no gimmicks, there's no rebates. This is going to be the same price year-round, all day in, day out. So it's the Ruger EC9S, a compact, slim 9mm that's going to give you all the protection you need to carry or want to carry, but at a price that won't break the bank.
Awesome. Great job, Mark. I appreciate you taking the time.
Oh, well, we appreciate your interest in our products very much.
Nice stuff you got going on there.
Okay, thanks a lot.
I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.